Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing this gym makeup routine and it is very pretty and soft and light, but you still look like no makeup type of look situation. For all everyone knows, this is what we look like when we roll out of bed before we go to the gym. The skin is giving, we are glowing. We really only use probably like 5 products. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Today we are doing a very controversial makeup look because I know there's gonna be very mad people saying, why do you have to wear makeup to the gym? Like, you're just unconfident, you're not confident with yourself. Like, no one wants that energy around here. First of all, we do it for ourselves because one, we want to look like a bad bee everywhere. Even if it's the grocery store, to go to 7-Eleven, it doesn't matter. Makeup is fun, it's the way that we express ourselves. If I already have like a light face on during the day, I'm like, okay, might as well go to the gym with it, like who cares? But some days I do have the days where I'm like, I really don't care. I'm just gonna go barefaced. But if I was really trying to do a nice, pretty light makeup for the gym, this is what I would be doing. So the first thing I'm taking is the MAC Studio Fix. This is the concealer, and we aren't going to be doing full foundation because we don't need all that. This is the MAC Prep and Prime, and just spritz it. I'm just making sure that this is really just getting all up in my face. I want to feel refreshed, I want to feel good. Now once that's kind of like settled into your skin, you're gonna have that nice dewy glow. And now we can go in with our concealer of choice. This one is just my MAC Studio Fix because this one stays on. It's like concrete on my face. This one here is in the shade NC30. I've been using this for a while. I kind of stopped using it because I felt like it was a little bit drying, but I feel like that drying effect is a little bit better for me when I'm gonna be at the gym because since it's so matte, it's gonna stay on and it's not going to be budging. And I usually like to use like a concealer that's not so dry and it's a little bit more on the dewy side just because I think it looks better. But this one will definitely do up at the gym. I really like to place this all over on the places where I need some coverage or I prefer some coverage. So this is basically the spots where I have a little bit more redness, and I do like to go over the spots where I have some blemishes. I've been breaking out a little bit recently just because it's that time of the month. I feel like whenever I film a video, I'm always on the time of the month. If you guys are on the same cycle, let me know, girls. Around the nose is kind of like very important because you do get like a lot of redness there. I also do go onto the veininess of my eyes. So I told you guys I've been on my juice cleanse and it's the 3rd day now, and I'm so proud of myself because what? I got to the 3rd day, I really was convinced that yesterday I was going to order some food. I was like, I want pasta, I want chips, I want this, I want that. I feel like when you go on a juice cleanse, it really just shows you the amount of discipline that you have, because I actually have 2 more days left and I kind of want to just finish it off because I'm already on the 3rd day and I'm like, you know what, why freaking not? When you're on a juice cleanse, you actually are allowed to eat like a piece of lettuce, which that sounds insane, but yeah, you're allowed to eat like a piece of lettuce. It just makes you feel like you're actually like eating a solid food. A couple nuts, but not too many because like, nuts actually are very high in calories. But once you get past the 2nd day, when you wake up in the morning, you have more energy, you want to do more things. Like yesterday, I was literally bedridden. Like I was bedridden yesterday because not only did I just start my period in the morning, I had excruciating cramps and I was starving. It was a time. I do not recommend doing it on your period because it was such a time. Now see this complexion come through? Yes, MAC really did that. The purpose of this look is to not exactly look like we're wearing makeup. It's more to enhance our delicious features that we already have. We are gonna be sweating our butts off in the gym. I'm taking my LA Girl banana yellow powder and I'm literally just going to sloppily bake in the areas where I'm most likely to be sweating this stuff off. So pretty much in all the areas that we put our concealer. You guys already know the drill, the LA Girl 105 for my powder, and then I'm just pressing it in. So now you guys can take any bronzer. I know you guys have been yelling at me recently for thinking that I use the same products in every video. I'm sorry, I need to get new products. So like I'm literally just waiting for new products to come in. But this is the LA Girl Warm Caramel Pressed Powder. So I'm taking my LA Girl 111 brush, and this is just a little tiny stippling brush. We don't want it to be too obvious. We're just wanting some color. What's up with my eyes today? They look a little bloodshot. Doing this just gives that healthy glow. How many of you guys have tried laser hair removal? Because I want to go back and do it again. I used to do it all the time. But you know what? I've never gone to 8 sessions consecutively. Like something always happens and I don't end up finishing the sessions, and it's just a whole cycle. So if I would have finished when I started like 3 years ago, I would have been hairless. What was your guys' experience? I feel like there's really not that much pain. Like if anything, it just feels like a rubber band is snapping. Always remember to wipe off the product off your lips. So I'm taking a little baby brush, and you guys already know the drill. Make sure you connect it to your brows, under the nose, give you that little baby tip. See how fast this is? Like you could literally do this whole entire look in under 10 minutes. I'm just very quick with it. I'm like I also do this when I'm in a rush. And if you really care to, you can just take the excess that you have on your brush and just do a quick little wash of color into your eyes. I usually do that just because I feel like my eyes are like the only thing that are white compared to my face. You don't have to do any of these steps that you guys don't want, but this is just the way that I do my brows. So I'm taking, of course, my brow gel from NYX. This is the brow glue, and I'm actually going to lay down my brows. If you have your brows done, it looks like you tried on your face. And these brows only take me a minute, like in total. It really doesn't take very much. So once you got that laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and do this other one very quickly. The only thing about this product is that you have to work fast because it does dry really quickly. And you guys always ask me what tool this is. This is by Japanesque, and this is their tweezer and spoolie. But unfortunately, they don't sell it. Isn't that crazy? Like, it broke my heart when I found out. So I'm really trying to like take care of this brush as much as I can. Like, I thought I lost it a few times and my heart stopped. Probably one of my favorite tools ever. This little brush is unbeatable. I have yet to find a brush that lays down my brows as well as this. Like, every time I get my brows professionally laminated, I always use this instead of the spoolies that they give me all the time. Look how structured we look. Like, we could go out like this and it wouldn't even matter. We look delicious. I like my lips to be moisturized, so I usually like put on a lip balm. So Grande Lips did come out with a lip balm that's supposed to give you a pout, but I tried this in yesterday's first impressions and I honestly didn't think that it did anything at all. So I have now started to do this. So we're gonna be using the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I have never used this one, but I usually use like the Lip Injection Extreme. There's 3 different levels. There's just the regular, the middle one, and then the super maximum plump. Let's put this on so it really activates while we do the rest of our makeup, and you guys can see the before and after. And make sure I'm really rubbing it in so it activates. And then I'm taking it right here. And I also like to take it a little bit up above my lip line. And this is just so my whole entire lip is plumped up. Just look at this first. These are our lips before. I'm gonna be taking this color right here, which is the Cheek Up Glow Play Blush by MAC. That is such a tongue twister. I used to use these all the time. It wasn't this color, it was another one. But I like to take it on my fingers like this. I like to literally just apply it on the apples of my cheeks. These are just really blendable products. Pink like this looks really nice, and then even applying it across your nose. Very effortless, natural look. My lips are tingling, but they don't hurt. Now I'm applying some more of the Prep and Prime. I like to use this not only as a primer, but also at the very end. And this is also going to set everything while giving us that dewy look, so it doesn't look like we applied all these like powders on top, because that's not the goal. We want it to look like this is our face, baby. I mean, it is, for all everyone knows. Also, question, do you guys prefer going to the gym in the morning or at night? Because I prefer in the morning. I like to go early. Even though I hate waking up early, I prefer to get up early and get it done and then have the whole rest of my day. This Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Look at us using a new mascara today. Also, I have naturally very long lashes, but I like to go from the very base and then blink sometimes and wiggle it all the way up, and then I'll kind of spread it when I open my eye. I also have an obsession with mascaras. Like, I like to collect mascaras. What a difference lashes make. Like, I know I say that so often, but it just makes such a difference. It looks like I just got lip injections, and they are looking super plump. Like, I literally just refilled them. That's crazy. Look at this, guys. This mascara, this face, these lips. And now, guys, I know this is very extra of me, but I'm taking Ardell's short, medium, and long Ardell 3D individuals. And I like to go for them when I'm looking for more of a natural look. I think I'm going to be doing a mix of the medium and the long ones. What you do is you grab them from almost the base, get a good grip, some glue on the tip, look down, and apply them kind of like at an upward angle like this. Up And it just adds like a small little flare. That's gonna give us that little fairy eye effect at the end. I really like using these sometimes when I'm going for like a very natural look, and it's just so fun to be able to customize. Okay, now look how beautiful. It looks so effortless, and it looks like this is just your fresh face. I really don't feel the need of filling in my brows when I have them up and laminated kind of like this, but I'm taking my Shady Slim Brow Pencil by LA Girl. This is in brunette, and I like to just like take small little brush strokes at the very front of my brows. So this is what my lips look like from the front, and then from the side I definitely see a difference. I kind of feel like after a while they kind of start going down. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and go do my hair. I usually like to put it up in a pony, and then I go get a good workout in. So let me go do my hair. Be right back. All right guys, hair is up and we are good to go. I just like to make sure that it's out of my face. Sometimes I even put like a headband or a hat. But yeah guys, we're having like a little baby Ariana moment here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.